friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech. In this video, I'm going to do a PUBG battle test in the Realme 6 phone, friends. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru. So it is a small chart which I got ready here. So Wi-Fi connection, 50% brightness, and 60 Hz refresh rate. Using these settings, I'll be playing the PUBG game at smooth and extreme settings, friends. And for more PUBG battle test, stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, friends, because I'll be uploading plenty of videos every day. So even if you want to know which phone has best battery life, so do check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of the PUBG games. So these are the recently uploaded videos, friends. So you can find the playlist for the Realme 6 as well. And let's get started with the PUBG game. So let me open the PUBG game, friends, right now. So let me show you the graphic settings, friends, here. As you can see here, so smooth and extreme settings I'll be using throughout the gameplay in the Realme 6 phone. So right now the battery percent is of 100%, friends, as you can see clearly. Let me disconnect the cable and start the stopwatch. So again, I'll be back, friends, after 1 hour of continuously playing the game in the Realme 6 phone. So let me even show you the brightness as well, how much it is. So 50% brightness, friends. I did not even turn on auto brightness mode. So as you can see, this is with the Wi-Fi connection. Let me even show you what is the FPS at the moment I'm getting. As you can see, friends, 60 FPS, 58, 60. So this is with the smooth and extreme. So again, I'll be back, friends, after 1 hour of continuously playing the Realme 6 phone, and let's see so how long the phone can actually survive in this test. So which has a 4300 mAh of battery. So again, I'll be back, friends, after 1 hour. So as you can see, friends, it's been 1 hour of continuously playing the PUBG game in the Realme 6 phone. So let me check what is the battery percentage, friends, at the moment, how much it is. So as you can see, 83%, friends, 83. So again, I'll be back after some more time, friends. So let's check how long the phone can actually survive with the PUBG battle test. So I'll be writing for every 1 hour the battery percentages. So as you can see here, friends, it's been 4 hours and 45 minutes continuously playing in the Realme 6 phone. So let me show you the battery percentage, how much it is right now. So as you can see, friends, clearly the battery percentage is of 4%, and I've played continuously the PUBG game only. And here is the chart, friends, for the first 4 hours, as you can see. So it lasted only 4 hours and 45 minutes, friends. Overall, you can play in the Realme 6 phone. This is what it is. And even though the phone has the 4300 mAh capacity, it doesn't do much effect while playing the PUBG game. So when you compare with the Realme X2 or other phones which have the 4000 mAh, so they are a little bit better. But overall, friends, this is a quick PUBG battle test. And for more videos, do subscribe to my channel, friends. So this is the test which I did with the 50% brightness, as you can see clearly. So that's it for this video, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.